For classic car enthusiasts, the 1966 Ford Bronco has always held a special place in automotive history. Ford introduced the Bronco as its first compact SUV back in 1966, and since then, the model has evolved into a beloved icon. Now, thanks to a professional restoration, this 1966 Bronco looks better than it did when it first left the factory, with a fresh, head-turning appearance and performance upgrades that make it the perfect vehicle for any adventure lover. The Ford Bronco was first greenlit by Lee Iacocca and was developed on an entirely new platform that was shared with no other vehicle at the time. The original Bronco was designed to serve as a rugged, yet compact, off-road SUV with a classic, simple design. The 1966 Bronco in question has recently undergone a thorough, frame-off restoration, making it look and perform better than ever before. And it's clear that the car's new owner will be getting a genuine piece of history, restored to its former glory while incorporating some modern touches for enhanced performance and reliability. Under the hood, the Bronco is powered by a 170 cubic inch inline-six engine. This engine is paired with a Daytona carburetor upgrade, which brings some improvements to the vehicle's overall performance. While this is by no means an SUV that's built for chasing down cars on the highway, it's definitely designed to give you that retro vibe, taking you through trails and rugged terrain with ease. The engine is paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, which features a shifter mounted on the steering column, an old-school touch that adds to the authenticity of the build. The power is distributed to all four wheels with the help of the factory-installed floor-shift dual-range HD transfer case, which was also rebuilt during the restoration. The vehicle's front and rear differentials ensure that this Bronco is reliable, no matter the conditions it's put through. The restoration also included work on the vehicle's suspension system, with front and rear suspensions rebuilt and HD springs and shocks installed. The result is a more stable ride that's perfect for off-road adventures, allowing the Bronco to easily handle uneven terrain without issue. Visually, the Bronco looks stunning, with its correct coated frost turquoise paint that perfectly complements the bolted white fender flares and matching white top. The paint has been professionally waxed and detailed, making the entire vehicle look brand new. Inside, the cabin mirrors the exterior with its turquoise and white vinyl upholstery on the 3-seat bench, creating a cohesive and attractive color scheme throughout. The dashboard has also been restored, integrating full factory gauges such as the speedometer, scaled up to 100 miles per hour, as well as gauges for temperature, oil, volts, and fuel. These gauges are arranged into a single dial, keeping the design simple and vintage while still providing all the necessary driving information. The driving experience is made even more special with the help of the 3-spoke, thin steering wheel, which offers an old-school feel that transports you back to the 1960s. As you drive, the AM/FM cassette radio adds another layer of nostalgia, but if the new owner prefers, they can upgrade to a modern digital sound system. For a more classic look, the original wheels can be swapped back in place of the current 15-inch white alloy wheels that are fitted with Mesa all-terrain radial tires. One of the most iconic features of the 1966 Bronco is the open-air driving experience it provides. The top can be easily removed, and the window rolls down, allowing you to enjoy a true vintage driving experience with the wind in your hair and the sun on your face. Out on the streets, there's no way this Bronco won't turn heads. The unique frost green color, paired with the clean restoration work, ensures that this vehicle will always stand out wherever it goes. The selling dealer in Rockville, Maryland, has credited this Bronco with not only fantastic looks and a great driving experience but also with collectible value, making it an excellent investment for any car enthusiast. If you've fallen in love with this vintage beauty, it's yours for just $49,990, which includes a $5,000 discount. The car also comes with an available extended warranty, ensuring that it's ready to hit the road or trails for years to come. So, if you're looking for a vehicle that combines history, performance, and a timeless design, this fully restored 1966 Ford Bronco is an incredible option that brings the past into the present while offering an unforgettable driving experience.